Hi all, welcome to John's Model Making. Today we're going to be doing the U96 U-boat. We have kit 75, there we go, it's just a motor with a cable, and kit 76. This is the navigation periscope, so we've got to pop all that together. And previously we did 73 and 74. There we go. We couldn't test the LED if you remember, because the connector is 3-pin. And we don't have anything to connect that with. Connect that up to and test it. But all the detail is there, everything is looking fan-dabby-dozy. Excellent stuff. Anyway, let's start today with kit 75. Okay, kit 75. In this kit, a motor responsible for rotating the periscope is fitted with a cable complete with label. So this should be pretty straightforward. There we go. There's the motor. There it is. The cable, 75.2. I'll just get this tie off. There we go. And then we need to pop on that label. There we go. Label has M6 on it. There we go. M6, it doesn't really matter if you can't see it just yet. We'll pop that on this end of the cable, just there like so. Excellent. And then this end plugs into here. Get it the right way around. There we go. Excellent. I think we could actually test that. There we go, connected up to the PCB. It is in connector J3. There we go. Put the battery in, and we have S1 and S2. There we go. Takes it back and forth. Excellent stuff. So at least we know the motor's working fine. Brilliant. Right, let's move on to kit 76. Okay, here we have kit 76. I've took the cover off. We can actually go through the parts listing as well as get everything back into place. In this kit, the substructure for the periscope is assembled. It consists of a guide channel with a spring and rack attached, limit switches, the shaft and the motor mount. Excellent. So we have guide, lower and upper, periscope, rotatable shaft at rack, cog 76.6 and 76.7, and motor mount back half and motor mount front half 76.8 and 76.9. Then we have another cog 76.10, limit switch, spring and connectors 76.13, BP and CP screws. Excellent stuff. So first thing we need is 76.5 and 76.12, which is the spring. So we get this out of here, put that to one side. And basically on the rack, there we go, 76.5 just there. Yeah, we pop the spring, just twist it on basically. Doesn't matter which end goes on, just keep turning it until we get it into place. You may need some assistance with this with tweezers or pliers. Isn't exactly straightforward enough, but once you get it pushed on, you can actually, there we go, twist it, keep turning it, and it makes its way down to there, just like that. Excellent stuff. There we go, there's a closer shot. You can see it's got all the way down to the bottom, so that spring has stopped rotating now. Excellent. Right, next we need 76.13. 76.13 is in this little bag. We'll get this out of here. This goes onto the top of the spring. Oh, I'll show it. There you go. You can see it has a thread. Yeah, so we just pop that into here. Oh, this is going to be fiddly as well. This is very fiddly. Let me do it this way. Okay, so 76.13, we need to push it slightly in first and then start to turn it. There we go. Turn the spring now. That's it fully in. Quite fiddly that. So push it in and then get it past that first turn and then you can twist it all the way in like that. Excellent. Okay, next we need 76.2, 76.11, which is the limit switches, and we need the BP screws. We'll need a couple of these. I'm going to pop the limit switches into place. We'll start off with the black cable limit switch. That will go there. There's a hole for one of the pegs. That will fit just there like that. And then we just need one of these BP screws into here. And screw that down. Just like that. There we go. And the other limit switch goes into here. We know what the limit switches are for, don't we? Yeah. Get another screw, BP screw, pop that in there, get that lined up. There we go, brilliant. You can see how the limit switches are sat in place. Excellent. Let's move on. Okay, next we need 76.1, which is this part of the rack, 76.6, which is this particular cog. There we go. See that all right? Yep. That will go into here, like so, and the rack will go into here. Now it will eventually, the rack, go up here and through there. So we need to make sure we can direct this spring up through this side of the rack like that, and then we have it captured just like that. Now you can pull it through, as you can see, get all that lined up. There we go. There we go, there's nothing stopping it to move it yet. There we go. That's how that should be. Now it's just a matter of fixing these two together. And we need the CP screws for this. So we get these out, and we need 3 CP screws. One here, one here, and one here. Sorry, 4. One there, one there, one there, one there. Well, first of all, we'll get this one in. Pop that into there. There we go, excellent. I think that's all 4 screws tightened up nicely. That rack's looking really cool. Brilliant stuff. Next we need 76.7 and 76.4. This cog, you can see there's 2 gaps on that cog. Yeah, it fits over the notches here and here on this shaft. So we just push it to the, actually, a loose fit really that. I don't think it matters which way you put it on. No, it doesn't. Anyway, we need 76.9 and 76.10. Here's 76.9. 76.10 is the other cog. Now we want that small end here into there, like that. So you want that way, and then that will fit just there, like so. And now we want 76.8, which fits over the top, just there, like that, capturing all of that, and we need 3 CP screws. There we go, excellent. That rotates nice and freely like that. Now we need the motor, 75.1, that we fitted earlier on the last kit. Fit that just there like that. Obviously you can see how that fits into that cog there, so it's just a matter of, there we go, once it's in place you can't go wrong. We can actually test that again, make sure that goes round. And we need BP screws to keep this in place, so I'll just hold that there when we get the first BP screw into here. Awkward. There we go. Hold that there. Flip that around. Right, okay, let's see if we can give that a test. There we go. So we know we've got that connected up correctly. Brilliant. Okay, now we need 76.3, which is this piece, and this will fit just here like that. You can see how that goes. There we go. That's a close up. Just click that into place, just like that. There we go. Excellent. And then we can fit this configuration. Get it the right way around. We want the motor on this side, and this comes down here. There we go. Fits into place just there like that. And we have 4 CP screws, 2 on either side. So we can just hold that like that and get the first screw in. There we go. There's that sliding rack and the navigation periscope with its motor all in place. We know the motor works with that shaft, so that is absolutely brilliant. We just need another motor on here, so that will go up and down, basically. Looking cool. Excellent stuff. Okay, let's test this again, and we'll connect this back up to the PCB into J3, just there like that. Pop the battery in. There we go. We can see that rotating. Obviously it won't go up and down because we need the other motor for that. But there we go. That is kit 75 and 76 complete. So there we go. There is the navigation periscope with the motor. We've seen it working. We've seen the motor working individually, and we've seen it rotate that shaft. We just need the other one so that it can go up and down. Brilliant. I've not used any grease on them components either. It does run smoothly. So that is fantastic. Excellent stuff. Onwards and upwards. Pack 20 next. Excellent stuff. We got another, what, 16 more packs to go. So we're past the halfway mark, and it's looking absolutely brilliant. I love my weathering as well, by the way. I think it looks cool. There's 74. Yeah, 74. No, 73 and 74. Yeah, that's the deckhead. Once we get all this fitted, there is the engine. Yeah, yeah, hopefully we'll do that next time. I'll have a look at the next pack, see what we're actually doing. I think there might be a piece, another piece for the hull, so that means more weathering done. But there we go, excellent. There we go. Anyway, that is it for this month for the U-boats. I hope you did like that. If you did, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you next month. So thanks for tuning in and watching. Stay safe. Bye for now.